Kit contains extender, 2 8-inch and 2 4-inch zip ties. Wider 8-inch zip tie is used with stepped nipple. Narrow 4-inch zip tie is used with solid nipple. 2 10-foot brake cables are required. Brake lever barrel nipple. Cable stop nipple. Pair up cable stop nipple plus brake lever barrel nipple. Wrap zip tie around cables and cinch tight. Trim off excess zip tie. Slip cable inside slot and insert housing on each end of the extender. Stretch out brake cable completely straight, no curves. Push cable housing inside slack adjustment screw on lever. Insert nipple on other end of the brake cable into the clamp-on cable stop. If exposed cable is too short or long, see the video link above. Remove the cable or it will compress the hose key release spring when coiled. Coil the cable and place it over the launcher for storing. Replacement parts for sale on our website if you lose or abuse them.